Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, entitled Brat Loses Her Mind When Denied Club Entry by Uncovered.
Go. I'm trying to get a fucking Uber, bitch.
Then get out of Uber. Back up.
Oh.
On February 22nd, officers were
I ain't gonna lie,
called
somebody push me back that far, I'll be like, you know what, fuck it, you got it. You strong as hell.
to a lounge about a disorderly group of individuals who were refusing to leave. After arguing about the trespass, things turn violent after they try and put hands on police.
No, not stop. Get out. Doing too much. Like, they want me outside for what?
How are you going to gonna make it any better?
Okay, but okay, then go outside first. Go outside first and know if you're okay. Because you're white. Exactly, and I'll follow after you.
Okay, so you want to be a follower. So if she jumped off the bridge, your ass was gonna jump too?
Okay, I'll follow after you. Like, I know how this shit goes. I'm not fucking stupid. Like, what's up? Like, I see the Uber so I can call. Like, I can go home. Like, I just want to go home. Deadass. Because they're overly doing too much for no fucking reason. Like, my phone's on 2%. Like, never that's fucking serious. Like, I'm gonna go in there and bomb the place. Like, that's fucking crazy. Like, my fucking Uber's not even working. I asked them for a fucking charge. They didn't even have one. So.
Hello?
They won't let us out.
Yeah,
They're fucking weird. That's why. Because they're fucking weird.
They're trying to make it worse.
I don't give a f. They're weird.
Yes.
He can't say shit. He can't say shit.
He doesn't give
I don't go. I don't go either. He can't say shit. He can't say shit. He can't say shit.
I know you don't give
Are they drunk?
I feel like we have a right.
Why she look like that little boy off the Weekenders? Y'all know what? Y'all know who? Yeah, we finna go look at the Weekenders right quick. Watch this shit. Don't she look like that little boy off the Weekenders? Yeah, yes, the fuck she does. Oh, she look just like him. Okay, look. Boom. I knew I wasn't tripping.
Have a right. He can't say shit. You know who can't
Ooh, Sway Lee from Ray Shrimmer.
say shit. Yeah, they're being racist as fuck. Like, it's weird as fuck. Like, nigga, I'm just trying to get inside. I'm cold as fuck. Like, what the fuck?
this right here.
Him right there. Him right there. Him right there.
Right here.
Him right
She can't even walk. What the fuck she doing? Y'all seen her? She barely can walk. There's a lot going on in this video.
Bro, I was literally inside.
Alright, you guys need to leave. I'm gonna arrest you right now.
You need to leave.
Trespassing. They don't want you here. Go. Go.
How?
So go.
Don't touch me.
Start going.
Yeah, don't be touching her girlfriend.
Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me. I'm trying to get a fucking Uber, bitch.
Get out of here. Back up.
Oh. Oh. Oh, y'all ain't going to jail.
You lost. Come on. You lost your mind.
Put your hand behind your back. Now you're under arrest.
Stop resisting.
Put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest.
It's gonna make it rougher.
Put your hand behind your back. I got it. You got cuffs? Sorry. No, you're good.
All right, guys, real quick. Who was wrong in this situation? Was the cop for pushing her like that because her ass flew? Or was she wrong for going back to attack her like, you know what I'm saying, she in the WWE?
You're good. Everybody good?
Yeah, we're good. You got anything illegal on you? Because I'm going to search you right now. You better start relaxing. Search me? I don't know. I didn't do shit. He touched me first.
If you got something illegal on you, you gonna be dumb as hell. Why would you do that?
Let me get the shackles.
He touched me first.
Hey, I got something in my passenger seat too.
Record this shit. Record
Yeah, we're all recording.
Record this shit. I swear to God, record this shit. I didn't shit at all. I didn't shit at all.
Obviously, you did.
Oh. Hey, man.
I'll for cycle these
Man. Hey, fucking man.
You gonna relax or we need to put leg shackles on
Yeah,
you?
you can relax. I'm good.
You're good? Are you done fighting?
I was never fighting.
Okay, are you gonna comply?
Girl, you just went at the grown ass man. Come on now.
Are you gonna comply?
Come on now.
Okay, are you gonna
I was
comply?
never fighting. I was never fighting.
Are you gonna comply?
I'm chilling. I was never
Okay,
fighting.
relax.
Y'all are crazy. Y'all are crazy. I was never fighting.
She said she'll comply. We'll see what she does.
I was never fighting. Y'all are crazy. You're good.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna roll you on your side. I got your phone. Let go of it.
Go ahead.
Roll on your side. Yeah.
Thug nasty. Nasty thug.
She going?
That's gotta be embarrassing, bro.
Yep. What did I do? What did I do though? What did I do? What did I do?
This is what you didn't do.
I cannot wait for this shit. I cannot wait for this shit. I cannot wait for this shit.
The suspect was arrested for criminal trespassing, battery on an officer, and resisting arrest. Her friend faces no charges. In a
Of course, because her friend ain't do shit.
similar incident just 4 days earlier, the same officers were called to a library after a man refused to leave, following complaints that he was harassing
Damn, you get kicked out of a library? Shit.
a group of teenage girls.
You gonna tase me? For
Oh.
what?
Cause you
Yeah, he looked like a weirdo.
have your hands on me. Turn
Why you putting your
around.
hands on me?
La 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 la.
What's up?
Being weird as hell. I have a dream looking at it.
You were told earlier not to come back, and now you're back.
Wow.
No, I'm not come back.
That's not what everybody else is saying.
Who?
Security and
He a little slow.
the other officer who was here and told you to leave.
That's not what they told me.
Okay, well, I'm telling you now. So I need your name because they're going to trespass you for 30 days.
Trespass me?
Yes. What do you mean that's okay? No, that's not gonna.
Fine.
This ain't a McDonald's order over here. I need your name. You're not giving it to me?
I'm leaving.
Are you refusing to give me your name? Are you refusing to give me your name?
You need to leave.
Stand up.
Don't put your hands on me.
Stand up.
Don't put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me. Stop. Put your hands off me. Why you got your hands on me?
Why he leaning on that? That would have made me nervous.
Let me
Put
go.
your hands off me. Why you got your hands on
You
me?
got your hand on a cop. Assault.
Off me. Get your hands off me.
Taser. Somebody do something. Kick him in the nuts or something.
Well, send me another.
Get your hands off me.
Turn around.
Get your hands off me.
All right. You want me to get tased?
Now I need to get tased. You gonna tase me?
Yep, I am.
For what?
Because you have your hands on me.
Why
Turn
you putting your
around.
hands on me?
Turn around.
Why you putting your hands on
Turn
me?
around.
Why you putting your hands on me?
Turn around.
Why
right
you putting
now.
your hands on me?
What?
Why you putting your hands on me?
I ain't gonna lie. I wish I could have helped her if I was a civilian, because I would have came in on some WWE shit. And I would have jumped in the air and I would have grabbed his head. Face plant.
Why you hitting me?
Oh, we got 2 women now.
You literally had me by the.
What are you doing?
Dumbass. She got on pink. Oh shit, she ain't playing around. Weirdo.
I asked you to identify
I
yourself.
don't give a fuck.
I
Don't put
don't
your hands on
care.
me.
Ain't nobody put your hands on me
Obviously you don't.
You didn't put your hands on me.
because you weren't listening.
I didn't touch you.
Hey boy, you is not finna win that fight. She is a Latina. You can hear it in her voice. Y'all ain't hear that shit. Look at what she
I
said.
asked you to identify
I don't
yourself.
give a fuck.
I
Don't put
don't
your hands on
care.
me.
Ain't nobody put your hands
You
on you
didn't put your hands
See, that right there, boy, she ain't fucking around.
on me.
because you weren't listening.
I didn't touch you.
Egg bat, right?
Yes.
Let's go.
You stop pulling my pants off.
I'm not pulling your pants off. I haven't
That's what
touched
you're
your
doing.
pants.
You keep grabbing my pants.
I haven't touched your pants.
That's exactly what you're doing.
That's what happens when you being a weirdo, bro.
Where's your ID?
Upstairs. Right here, guys.
Look, he gonna act so different once these men come around.
Can you guys just double search him?
Don't pull on my pants either.
Nobody is touching
You
your
was
pants.
pulling my pants. You was pulling my pants down. You was trying to grab them out. Come on, you shut up. Stop talking.
Nobody was trying.
Good. Yeah, we'll slide around. All right.
What an idiot.
The suspect was arrested for criminal trespassing, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer. According to police reports, this was the suspect's 3rd time getting arrested at that same library.
Shaking
He
my
pleaded not
head.
guilty to all charges, and his case is currently still at trial. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and be sure to subscribe for more body cam footage daily.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's